Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and today I wanted to show you how to make a lovely Christmas card without using Christmas stamps. So sometimes you just don't find the right Christmas stamps, but you want to make some kind of Christmas card for your friends and family. So as long as you have some nice and bright cheery paper in maybe some Christmas colors, you can do well without even a Christmas sentiment. So let me go ahead. I got out a piece of garden green, cut that right in half at 5 1/2, and then scored at 4 1/4. So we're going to go ahead and just burnish that down with my bone folder here. And now we have a nice base. I have a piece of real red. And we're going to go ahead and add that on here, and we're going to get a nice red and green border. I'm going to put that on with some of my multi-adhesive liquid glue. I like putting on the glue because it gives you a little bit of time to move around, but once it's stuck down there, it is stuck down there. So let's go ahead and get that on there, and then we can move it around. Oh, don't need to move it around at all. I was going to say you can move it around so that you get those borders just perfectly, but I got it on the first try. So we're going to go ahead and get another piece, and that's going to leave another little bit of a border. So then I have another piece for the inside. And I'm going to go ahead and put that down as well. Now, I'm hoping, now that I've already glued this on, that I'm not going to need this because of a mess up or something like that. But with a dark color like this green, you're not going to want to write right on the green. And so you want to put a lighter color in there. And then just take another little scrap that you might have, such as a real red, and we're going to put that on the inside as well. And then, ooh, yep, every time. So I see kind of where that is, so I'm going to put that right over it. I didn't know exactly where I wanted it, but once I saw that happen, I knew. So I'm going to kind of wipe it, and it doesn't feel like I have any, it looks like I have a little piece of glue right here. I'm just going to wipe that off. And now we have the inside. You can write Merry Christmas if you'd like, or just go on with your note. Everybody's going to know. And then we're going to get our stamping done. Now I just chose 3 colors. I chose the garden green that goes with the green card, also Granny Apple Green and Parakeet Party. So we're going to have 3 different colors. I'm going to set this off to the side for just a moment, and I am going to use my gorgeously made stamp set. And you guys, as you can see, there is no Christmas. It's just a regular stamp set. It's not listed as Christmas, but we're going to use it to make Christmas. So I'm going to start with the lightest color. We're going to use the Parakeet Party. And we're just going to ink that up. I'm going to try not to get too many halos, and we're going to keep everything as straight as possible. And I'm just going to put one here at the edge, holding it straight down and then straight back up. And then my next color, which is a little bit darker. I like to go from lighter to darker because then you don't have to, oh, then you don't have to goof around with wiping it off, because the ink comes off and then you're putting it on a darker color. So now I'm going to take this one, and we're kind of going to go in the same spot, same direction. just like that. Press straight down and then pull it back up and you won't get those halos. And then I'm gonna go with the darker, and that's the actual garden green that matches the color of our base. So I'm gonna get that garden green out. And we're gonna put that one right in the middle. They're all gonna kind of overlap, but that's okay. And so I've got those three. And now I'm gonna get out my real red pen here. And I'm just gonna color over these little guys. Just using those Christmas colors leaves some imagination for your receiver. And so they'll get this, they'll see a Christmas card, and they will love it. So we're just gonna, again, add these. They look like little holly berries of sort. And then there was a little piece here that didn't come out quite right, so I'm gonna get some granny apple green. Nope. Where did it go? Here it is. I'm using it on my planner, so. And I'm just gonna color this in a little bit because I just don't love that it doesn't, that the ink kind of didn't come off. But you do this and no one's ever the wiser. I'm gonna leave that one because I think it's fine. And then I'm gonna take this little piece here and I'm gonna put this a little bit down below. I'm gonna cover the edge up, just the bottom, but you could put it up higher if you'd like, wherever you'd like, but I don't want, well, that looks nice too. But I like that little, oh goodness, tell me in the comments where you would put it. I think I'm gonna put it right here. I thought I wanted it down toward the bottom, and then I looked the other way, but let me know what you think. You guys always have a great eye and tell me what I should do. There we go. And then we get to put this onto our card. Again, we're going to be doing some maneuvering because this is going to be a very little teeny tiny border. So I open it, make sure I got the right way, and then I'm going to put that right down, and we are going to make the teeniest tiniest border, but it makes such an impact. And now, just to add a little bit, here we go. You can use some sparkles, you can use some silver or gold, and just some embellishments of some sort. And we're gonna just add some sparkles on here. And usually I put 3, but I think we could add a couple more. did not come out. Didn't want to be sticky. Maybe I wasn't supposed to put it there. What do you think? Maybe it's supposed to go right there. And there we go. It's a non-Christmas card, but if you wanted it to be like, you could put that hello in there, and I'll go ahead and show you. It doesn't always have to say Christmas to be Christmas. So I'm going to get a little piece of this guy here, and we will go with that garden green. I'm actually going to color this in because I want it to be a bright garden green. And then I can take this little piece here with my oval punch, line that up in the center. I'm going to get another little piece of garden green here. And I keep my scraps, so actually I think that this little piece will fit perfectly right there. There we go. And then I'll add this on here, and this is perfect for maybe somebody who you want to send a Christmas card to, but they celebrate something else. So they have another faith perhaps, but you still just want to send them a little quick hello. So go ahead and put that guy on there. We'll pop him up. And you can just put that right on there, just like that. I always try and take these off every time, but this take your pick tool works wonders, so I don't know why I don't just go right to it. I always have to try first. I'm going to stick that right here, and then guess what? Now I can anchor this down with these little guys, and I could put one right here, and I could put the second one right here, and now it looks like it's held on with like some brads. So there you go, a lovely little Christmas holiday card, and you can write whatever you'd like in there. I hope you like this. This is celebrating our 4th day of Christmas, and I hope you look forward to the next date. All right, beauties, if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Of course, if you want to purchase anything that I've shown here today, you can go ahead and look on my site. I will put that in the description, or you can always go to BeautyandtheStamper.com. All right, have a wonderful evening, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!